If you find an old jar of mayonnaise in your fridge, it's crucial to check for signs of spoilage before using it. Look for mold. If you see any green, blue, or black spores, discard it. Additionally, if the mayo has changed color to yellow or brown, has a strong sour smell, or tastes strange, it's best to throw it out. Unopened mayonnaise can last 2 to 3 months past its best by date, while opened mayo typically lasts about 2 months in the fridge, but should not be left out for more than 8 hours. Homemade mayo has a shorter shelf life, generally lasting only 7 days due to the absence of preservatives. Lastly, freezing mayonnaise is possible, but it may alter its texture and appearance, although it doesn't mean it's spoiled. Always keep mayo refrigerated after opening to ensure its freshness.